Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start a new chapter, human development. It is very important chapter because the ultimate objectives of your study or the different type of economic activities is human development. But before discuss about the meaning of the human development, you must know about the difference between the growth and development. Just look at it. There is some difference is given between the development and growth. Development basically refers to the qualitative as well as quantitative change, but growth refers to the only quantitative change. What does it mean? It means if the population of a city grows from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs over a period of time, we say the city has grown, not developed. But if a facilities like housing, provisions of basic services, other infrastructures also grown, then this growth is accompanied by development. Means development is always positive. Development occurs when positive change take place in education, in medical facilities, in other economic development. But growth may be positive or may be negative. Development is multidimensional while growth is in one dimensional. Development is new concept to measure any country's progress by including economic growth as well as social and health indicators. While economic growth is the past and colonial measurement to measure any country's progress. For many decades, a country's level of development was measured only in terms of its economic growth. This meant that bigger the economy of the country, the more developed it was considered. Even though this growth did not really mean much changes in the lives of most people. So, a new terms has been developed. It is the human development. Basically, Dr. Mahbubul Haq, a Pakistani economist, defined human development as the human development is all about enlarging people's choice in order to lead long, healthy lives with dignity. Clear? The concept of human development was introduced by Dr. Mahbubul Haq. He described human development as development that enlarges people's choice and improves their life. People are central to all development under this concept. These choices are not fixed but keep on changing. The basic goal of the development is to create conditions where people can live meaningful lives. Okay. Some other important concept related to the human development. Once again, the concept of human development was introduced by Dr. Mahbubul Haq. He described human development as development that enlarges people's choice and improves their lives. Dr. Huck and Professor Amar Sen worked together to bring out initial human development reports. First Human Development Index was created in 1990, and the United Nations, remember it, United Nations has adopted this, and since 1990 it is being published every year. Building capacity in area of health, life expectancy, education, literacy and access to resources per capita income is therefore important to enlarging their choice. Okay, three important points you have to remember. Who introduced the concept of human development? Dr. Mahbubul Haq. What does it mean? As per the Dr. Mahbubul Haq, human development is the development that enlarges people's choice and improves their lives. These choices are not fixed but keep on changing. The basic goal of development is to create conditions where people can live meaningful life. That is important. And who published the Human Development Report? UNDP, United Development Program, every year since 1990. It is clear? Okay. It is for today's class. Note it down, and if you have any problem, just ask. Thanks.